treat. Eat. Eat. What? Treat? Want? Treat? Want a treat? Who wants a treat? Who wants a treat? Who wants a treat? Does Mickey and Bella want a treat? Mickey? These are my YouTubers. Mickey, can you please stop spinning around in circles, please? Alright, these are my YouTubers. Alright guys, this is Mickey. He always wants to go outside. And this is Bella, a little cute girl that always wants a treat. These are both of my dogs. And this is my house. This video has been posted on December 18th. Yeah, and the elf. He actually made a snowman out of toilet paper. It's so funny. And this is where my fish, my old fish used to be. But he's actually dead, so if you want me to feel better, I really hope I get 10,000 subscribers. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. And anyways, guys, I'll give the puppies a treat.